The second lesson we find is the contrast provided by Judas Iscariot. While the woman uses her hands to pour out a blessing, Judas uses his hands to take a bribe. In Matthew 26, verses 14 to 15, we read that Judas went to the chief priests and asked, "What are you willing to give me if I deliver him over to you?" He agreed to betray Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. Judas had spent years with Jesus. He had done the work of a hand by being a disciple, but his heart was far away. This reminds us that we can be involved in religious activities